Hi, I'm Jason. Welcome to another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. Today we are working on this Whirlpool freestanding range. We will show you how to remove and replace the latch motor assembly. To begin this repair, we must first access the rear and remove the back panels. Stop. Before beginning any repair, be sure to always disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. To remove the rear lower panel, you're going to have two Phillips screws at the bottom here. We remove these screws while holding your panel. Pull down to disengage and pull out, and the cover will come right off, and then set it aside. With the lower panel removed, we can now remove the screws that hold in the upper panel. And once you get to the last two screws, you're going to want to kind of hold the panel, because as you take these last two screws out, the whole thing's going to fall off. So kind of brace it with your leg, and then it slides down and comes right off. So now that we have removed the back panel, we have clear access to our latch motor. Some reasons why you might need to replace the latch motor is if you're getting an error code F5E1 or the door is locked and will not open. Some tests that you can do: you can check the motor itself and the switch. With your meter set on ohms, unplug your motor and you can ohm out the motor, checking for about 1,000 ohms. Another thing you can do is, with the power hooked up, when you push the clean button, you should have 120 volts going to that motor. The other thing that you can do is check your switch to make sure that your switch has continuity, and with your finger push the little button on the switch and you should have continuity through the switch. Now, for whatever reason, if you don't have any of that, then what you're going to want to do is take the two screws out that hold the motor in, and then disengage the rod to the latch itself and set the latch motor off to the side. To install the latch motor, take your new latch motor, take your latch rod and install it into the cam. And take your two Phillips screws, screw it into the back of the unit. Install the two wires to your switch, and then the two wires onto the motor, and then we're going to install the rear panel. To install the upper rear panel, we're going to line these tabs at the top with the top of the panel. Take your Phillips screws, install them in the holes. Now we'll install the lower panel. by installing the cover with the tabs into the slots of the back of the oven. With the tabs all installed, lift the cover up, install your screws. And this will complete the repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.